Question number 1. A universal containers administrator is setting up Einstein data libraries. After creating a new library, the administrator notices that only the file upload option is available. There is no option to configure the library using a Salesforce knowledge base. What is the most likely cause of this issue? Option A. The administrator is not using Lightning Experience, which is required to display all data source options, including the knowledge base option, when configuring Einstein data libraries. Lightning Experience is required for many features, but the absence of knowledge base option is due to Salesforce knowledge not being enabled. Hence, not the right choice. Option B. Salesforce knowledge is not enabled in the organization. Without Salesforce knowledge enabled, knowledge based data source option will not be available in Einstein data libraries. This could be the potential answer. Option C. The current Salesforce organization lacks the necessary Einstein for service permissions that support the knowledge based data library option. So only the file upload option is presented. Missing Einstein for service permissions may restrict usage, but they do not remove the knowledge base option entirely. Hence option C is not the right answer. Question number 2. Universal Containers implements 3 custom actions to get 3 distinct types of sales summaries for its users. Users are complaining that they are not getting the right summary based on their utterances. What should the Agentforce specialist investigate as the root cause? Option A. Review the action instructions to ensure they are unique. This could be the right answer, as if action instructions are not unique, multiple actions may overlap in how they interpret their utterances, causing the wrong sales summary to be triggered. Let's see option B. Ensure the input and output types are correctly chosen. Input and output types affect data handling, but they do not determine which action is selected based on utterances. Hence, not the right choice. Option C. Review that the custom action is assigned to an agent. Assigning the action to an agent is necessary for availability, but misassignment does not explain why the wrong summary is chosen. Hence option A is the correct choice. Option B and C are not the correct answer. Question number 3. Question number 3. An administrator wants to check the response of the flex prompt template they have built, but the preview button is grayed out. What is the reason for this? Option A. The prompt has not been saved and activated. Saving and activating the prompt is necessary for use, but it does not affect whether the preview button is enabled. Hence, not the right choice. Option B. A merge field has not been inserted in the prompt. Merge fields enhance the prompt, but the absence of merge fields does not gray out the preview button. Hence, not the right choice. Option C. The records related to the prompt have not been selected. The preview button requires records to be selected so the prompt can be tested against actual data. Without records, preview remains disabled. Hence option C is the correct choice. Question number 4. What is an Agentforce specialist able to do when the entry event logs with conversation data? Setting in the Agentforce configuration is enabled. Option A. Generate details reports on all agent conversations over any time period. This option does not generate detailed reports over any time period. Retention is limited to 7 days. Hence not the right choice. Option B. View the user click path that led to each agent action. This option does not track the user click path. It only enriches logs with conversation exchanges. hence not the right choice. Option C, view session data including user input and agent responses for sessions over the past 7 days. This enrich event logs with conversation data setting allows visibility into session level conversation data for a limited retention period of 7 days. Hence option C is the correct choice. Question number 5. Once a data source is chosen for an Agentforce data library, what is true about changing the data source later? Option A. Generate details reports on all agent conversations over any time period. Once an Agentforce data library is created, its data source is locked and cannot be modified later. Hence option A is the right choice. Option B. The data source can be changed through the data cloud settings. Data cloud settings manages data integration, but they do not allow changing the data source of an existing data library. Hence not the right choice. Option C. The data retriever can be configured to use a different data source. The data retriever can fetch data, but it cannot overwrite or reconfigure the data source once chosen. Hence not the right choice. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 6. What is the main benefit of using a knowledge article in an Agentforce data library? Option A. The retriever for knowledge articles has better accuracy and performance than the default retriever. Accuracy and performance are not inherently better than the default retriever. The benefit lies in structured, approved content. Hence not the right choice. Option B. It provides a structured, searchable repository of approved documents so the agent can retrieve reliable information for each inquiry. Knowledgeable articles are designed to be structured and searchable, ensuring agents access consistent approved information for customer inquiries. Hence option B is the right choice. Option C. Only the retriever for knowledge articles allows for agents to access knowledge from both inside the platform and on a customer's website. Knowledge articles can be surfaced in multiple contexts, but the main benefit is reliability and structure, not exclusive dual access. So, not the right choice. Question number 7. Universal Containers wants to enable its sales team with automatic post call visibility into mention of competitors, products, and other custom phrases. Which feature should the company use to enable the sales team? Option A. Call Explorer. Call Explorer is used to navigate and review call recordings, not to extract competitor or product mentions. Hence not the right choice. Option B. Call Summaries. Call summaries provide a general recap of calls but do not highlight specific keyword mentions like competitors or products. Hence not the right choice. Option C. Call Insights. Call Insights automatically surfaces mentions of competitors' products and custom phrases from calls, giving sales teams post-call visibility. Hence option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. Universal Containers deployed the new Agentforce sales development representative into production, but sales reps are saying they can't find it. What is causing this issue? Option A. Sales rep users profiles are missing the allow SDR agent permission. There is no allow SDR agent profile permission. This option is misleading. Hence not the right choice. Option B. Sales rep users do not access to SDR agent object. This issue isn't object level access. The SDR agent is enabled through a permission set. Hence not the right choice. Option C. Sales rep users are missing the use SDR agent permission set. Access to Agentforce SDR is controlled via the permission set, not just profile or object access. Hence option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. An Agentforce agent has been developed with multiple topics and agent actions that use flows and apex. Which options are available for deploying this production? Option A. Deploy flows, Apex, and all agent related items using either change sets or the Salesforce CLI or metadata API. Agentforce agents, topics, actions, flows, Apex are supported metadata and can be deployed via change sets or CLI or metadata API. Hence, this is the right answer. Option B. Use only change sets because the Salesforce CLI does not currently support the deployment of agent related metadata. CLI or metadata API does not support agent related metadata. Hence not the right choice. Option C. Deploy the flows and Apex using normal deployment tools and manually create the agent related items in production. Manual creation is not required. Agent related items are deployable metadata. Hence not the right choice. Question number 10. When a customer chat is initiated, which functionality is Salesforce provides generative AI replies or draft emails based on recommended knowledge articles? Option A. Einstein grounding. Grounding ensures AI responses are based on trusted data, but it doesn't directly generate replies. Hence not the right choice. Option B. Einstein's service replies. This feature generates AI powered replies or draft mail emails during customer chats leveraging knowledge articles. Hence this is the right answer. Option C. Einstein reply recommendations provides suggested quick responses but not full generative AI replies or draft emails. Hence not the right choice.